Large gauge Anderson connectors 4-gauge blue. Anderson connectors are made of a genderless design with mechanical keyed housing. 2 pieces needed to make one quick disconnect connection. Top reviews from the United States. True Anderson brand SB120 connectors. You get what you pay for in this case. Want superior quality trusted connector? Stay with the name brand. Just remember, with these connectors, colors matter. Want to connect with an existing SB120 connector? Make sure you order the same color. Easy to install. Used this for my trolling motor. It was overkill, but I wanted something I would never have to worry about, and I got that.